it is very important. So what do you mean by the welding? So what is the welding? So welding is a process to joining the two similar or dissimilar metal by the fusion. The, the with or without the pressure or non-pressure, or with or without the filler metal, non-filler metal. The fusion of the metal take place by the means of the heat. The heat may be the obtained by the furnace, electric resistance welding, arc resistance welding, and chemical reactions. So in this definition, to electric resistance welding and arc welding. So welding, the voltage and current play a very important role to perform the welding bead, perform the welding. So how to calculate the current? How to calculate the current? The current and voltage are generally depends upon the size of the plate and composition of the metal or thermal property of the metal. Agar these are the size of the plate, these are the size of the electrode. The electrode are generally available in a market in a different shape and size, diameter. Agar two diameter, two diameter. The electrode are available in this range. To diameter to 300 mm length. Agar to 5 mm diameter, 5 mm to 450 mm length of the electrode are available in a market. So market, the diameter of the electrode can be measured with the help of the wire gauge, vernier and micrometer. So what is the wire gauge? So wire gauge is just like a steel circular disc. The number of slots are cut on its peripheral. So every slot have a standard value. The diameter of the electrode can be measured by the wire gauge, vernier and calipers instruments. The electrode are also available in this name: E6013, E6018, E6010, E6011. The E means electrode. E means electrode. 60, 60, 60 means the tensile strength of the base metal. One is the all position. All position means flat position, horizontal position, vertical position, and overhead position. Overhead position. You can say that the 1G, 2G, or 3G, 3G and 4G. So 4G. How to calculate the current for this different this size of the plate? So this and used to diameter of this electrode are used in 19 gauge. Then this formula are used to calculate the current. I is equal to 30D minus 40D. So 30 is constant, 40 is also constant. D is the diameter of the electrode. Why? So we are using the this size of the electrode to calculate the current. So put the value of D is here. So 2 into 40, so 60 to 80. This range of the electrode, this range of the current are used for the this side of the electrode 60 to 80. The current vary plus minus 5 ampere, plus minus 5 ampere. So, so then you will get the how to calculate the voltage. So voltage, this formula is also used to calculate the voltage. Z1 plus Z2 into the L. Z, the value of the Z is a very 12 to 14 mm, Z2 3 to 4 mm. Length of arc 2 or 3 mm. The length of arc, this is the length of arc. This is the length of arc. The length of arc is you will generally take 2 to 3 mm. So you can also take the approximately the diameter of the electrode. Those diameter of the electrode are used for forming the welding. Then you will take the this value 2 mm. So it means that the arc of length is equal to 2 mm. This is the 2 mm. Put the value of here. So Z1 this 12 plus Z2, put the value 3. Length of arc you will take the 2. This value is 18. Then in other case Z values 12 plus Z3. Z2 is value of put 3. Length of arc is length of L. So this is the you will calculate the 20 voltage. The voltage are very 18 to 21. This is the value of voltage. The value of voltage is also a very plus minus 5 voltage. Plus minus 5 voltage are vary. This type of the electrode are this type of the current are used and voltage are used to perform the welding. So this is the electrode. This is the wire gauge. This is the flux. So what is the flux? The flux are available in the market in the form three forms: paste form, powder form, and coated form. So here this is the coated form. So this is sparking to perform this welding. So this is the slag. This is the slag. The flux the flux is not mixed with the molten metal. So why? The density of the flux is very less than the molten metal, base metal. So the slag are floating on the surface of the molten metal. So the slag is not mixed with the molten metal. This slag, this is the slag. Slag is also help us to the mechanical property, maintain the mechanical property of the welding joint, welding welding bead. This is the length of arc. This is the length of arc generally depends upon the you also can the diameter of the electrode. If you are used to diameter of electrode 2, so that you will take the length of arc is 2. If you want to use the diameter of the electrode is 5, then you will be take the arc of length is 5. So it means that the arc of length vary 2 to 5 mm. 2 to 5 mm. You will also take the 5 mm length of the electrode. The different type of these are the current formula are used to calculate the current of the different type of the electrode, and this formula are used to voltage for the different type of the electrode size. And the welding are generally used in a automobile industry to make the structures steel, and also used for the general work to make the gate wood and general purpose. Different type of the welding are used in industries like spot welding are used in automobiles. Arc welding are used in also automobile to welding the cases of the automobiles. Gas welding, different type of the welding are used as a different type of the works. So I think you will like my lecture. Thank you very much.